How long have we been here?
Probably too long. Not probably, really.
Hi, I'm Tom.
And I'm Cheri.
And we're
EnjoyTheJourney.Life.
You have the itch, right? The itch to get going.
It is time to go.
Yes. We have been here at Sedona View RV Park since early November.
Right, and it is later than mid-March.
Yeah, I mean, this is a relatively new park, you know?
Yeah.
And it actually had a lot of open spaces when we first got here.
It did.
And now it's basically full. You
Yeah,
know?
this place is packed.
Yeah, the view. This is why they call it Sedona View.
Yeah, you can see the red rocks from our back deck. It's pretty nice.
When we first got to the area, we went to the Thousand Trails Park, and there was a long wait list to get a site with a view. And we weren't really excited about that. So we went exploring around. We found this place.
I think I really liked it better when we initially got here because since it's become spring, the wind is nuts. It's like hurricane force winds out here.
You can't tell right now
No.
because we've got a brief calm point.
But we've been wanting to record this for days and haven't been able to because it has been entirely too windy.
Yeah, very, very windy.
Oh, look, a red Jeep.
Lots of Jeeps
It's
here.
like squirrel, squirrel, red Jeep, red Jeep.
So that would be like the number one detractor, I would say.
The wind in the spring. But
And
spring, actually,
hey, how's it going?
Good. We see you guys all the time.
Oh,
We like to laugh at your significant other. He's so funny. He's always got something he's playing. The only time I really felt bad for you is when the
the truck crusher.
RV crushes truck.
Yeah.
That's what everybody remembers us from.
we're brand new, so we've had those things that you just go, what the?
Oh,
Right,
yeah, it's always something.
I know.
Good to see you out. and
Well,
about.
thanks for
Yeah,
watching.
what's your name?
Ronald McDonald.
Ronald
Get
McDonald.
out of here. Are you
That's it.
serious?
That's it.
It's Ronald McDonald.
I've been doing this for about a year, so we're new to it.
Oh,
Oh,
welcome
congrats.
to the lifestyle.
Happy trails. Good luck to you.
Yeah.
Well,
thank
nice to meet you,
you.
Ronald McDonald. You can see Kathy in the background
Yeah,
over
there's
there.
Kathy.
So Kathy, let's talk about Kathy.
We love Kathy. She is, oh man, she works so hard. She does so much for this park and she's just,
Right.
she's just been awesome. So if you come here to Sedona View, be sure to say hello to Kathy and that Tom and Cheri sent you.
Yes, do that. We'll put the contact information
Yeah.
for this park down below so you can check it out and hopefully get a spot because, you know, it's filling
packed, yeah. But you have a great view all the way around and it's just, yeah, this was a great place for a view. We put the deck down, you could see the red rocks. It was just, it was so nice.
Right. A few sites I think are not perfectly level, but that's that way in a lot of RV parks.
Yeah.
So, and maybe one of the best things is the prices here.
Right, it's like $4.95 a month.
Actually $4.75 a month for these inside
oh.
spaces.
Electricity is separate,
Right.
so keep that in mind.
And it's a pretty decent rate. I think we've paid
Yeah.
a couple $100 a month for electric.
Since we just got our solar, we're kind of wishing we had the solar when we first got here because that would have saved us a lot of money.
That would have totally. We have the edge spot right now that we're pulling out of.
Over the cliff.
And those are $5.75 a month, so not much more.
Not much more, and you get a great view.
Speaking of the view, we can kind of turn and look back over there, and you can see even the snow-capped peaks way out there, Flagstaff.
I think those are called the San Francisco Twin Peaks.
Yeah, San Francisco Peaks, I think.
Another thing that we liked about this place is that we would go one roundabout over off this main road and go back there where people go off-roading, and we would find little secret spots where we could sit out in the sun, and it was just quiet and peaceful, nobody around, and we would just, it was so like a breath of fresh air, although it was still dusty here. Have you guys subscribed to our channel yet? If not, go hit that subscribe and ring the bell.
If you like this little shorty video, give it a thumbs up. So would you camp here in a place like this for as little as $4.75 a month?
Is that a lot to you? Is it not a lot? Are you thinking, ooh, I think I could do this lifestyle?
And actually, speaking of that, there's about 50% long-term people staying here, so there's a lot of longer term.
Yeah, because it
So-
is such a great rate.
It is.
And so close to Sedona in Cottonwood and Jerome, so much to do, and we will have other videos on those topics as well.
So-
Again, if you haven't subscribed, make it happen. It's about time for us to leave this joint.
Yeah, and we'll say goodbye to this spot right here. And yeah, if you stay here, you can try to stay in our spot 16 right here. Check it out.
Head for the sun, follow your footsteps, edge of the world, right to your doorstep, home, anywhere you wanna go, beyond the stars.